Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Not too much movement, but one thing happened that where we already looked at the potential outcome yesterday. So we had here obviously on the 4-hour, or let's just say better on the 1-hour chart, this potential breakout build-up going on here just below resistance of 39.2k. We saw the price just hovering below it, and it was now pushed again once more and then broke through this level above 39.2k. Well, technically we still have here a lower low and lower highs. What is important though is now for Bitcoin to fulfill that scenario is here at some point to break the 40k level. It actually needs to be now 40.2k, which would take Bitcoin back into this channel here with the white ascending trend line. Again, if I zoom out, you can see this channel here. We're now on our way back into the channel potentially, and to reach that green target area, which is a wave 2, which should be reached in one or in some sort of counter reaction now. So I don't know if this was already the wave 5 low. Yeah, it is really hard to say. We now need to see how the price develops, and to reach the target area that is between 42 and 46,000. To calculate that area, what we need to do, we need to draw the Fibonacci levels, and I need to adjust slightly the target area now that we have seen the price drop a little bit lower here in that low. That means all the Fibonacci levels will get extended as well. They will move a little bit. We'll move down a little bit, and that means we are going to reach here ideally an area between 41.8k and 46k. 41.7 and 46, quite a large area, but we need to see how the price is going to react to these individual fib levels in there, and this is where the price could now or has a chance to go to. But to do that, it first needs to move above the 40.2k level to get back into the range and into that channel. A very likely scenario would be to reach the 43k or the 44.2k. That is the 50% fib retracement and the 61.8% fib level. However, it could also be that the low of that wave 5 is not in, but if it's not in, it's really like the last meters. You know, that's my current view. We can still, if we drop below the previous low here, what I have marked as the wave 5, which is the 37.7k level, we can still drop a little lower before we have that counter reaction, and we can see that when we draw those Fibonacci levels here for a wave 2, and let me just do that. And you can see here that we, in this sort of fifth wave, we reached here the 2.382 fib level again. We did reach it here before on the 24th of April. This is a good target for a wave 5, but a good target is also the 2.618. As I said in the previous video, the 37.2k level would also be a very good level for a wave 5, and maybe even the 300%. So somewhere in here, we expect the turnaround to make that second wave, because what you normally get in a downtrend, in the same way in an uptrend, just the other way around, is you have your impulsive wave, which is that wave 1, consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this scenario here now, that fifth wave would be complete. Yes, there is still further downside potential until we make a higher high, absolutely, and to make a higher high, we would actually need to get above 40.8k. But really, this is currently what we can see here. Yes, further downside still possible, because I don't know if this wave 5 will be extended further down. But there's a good chance we move up now, because we had here on the 8-hour chart even a bullish engulfing candle. Again, there's never a guarantee, but these work out more often than not. And since then, we have also been climbing up. We are now back above that important former resistance, now support level, and we can now climb back into the channel. However, to do that, as I said, we need to break above 40.2k. But to the downside in the current scenario, we still have space actually until 37.2. And if we lose that, it would be around about the 35k area to complete that fifth wave. The lower we go now in the first wave, the lower we'll probably also end up here in the yellow target area. There is a potential we even break below that, but it's too early to say that. At the moment, I just want to talk about this target area in which we have the 61.8% fib level around 27k, the 200 week moving average around 22k, and also here around 20k was the peak of the last bull market. And so far, Bitcoin in a bear market or in a dip has never gone below the peak of the previous bull market. So yeah, overall, still expecting Bitcoin to be weak here. Short term, there is now a good potential to move up, but how high is that potential? Not that great. I mean, from here to the box, it's only like a 5% move. To the top of the range, it's around 15%. This is sort of the most likely move. Of course, it can overshoot it. Of course, it doesn't need to get there, but this is the most likely outcome, yeah, based on probabilities, based on what a wave 2 normally does. From here, we would then expect the turnaround here in a third wave down, then there will be a fourth wave up and a fifth wave down to complete that correction. Hopefully, someone asked, yeah, what will happen when we reach that area finally? Well, my view is hopefully that we will turn around here. I mean, there is no other option. Somewhere here after we have completed the correction, hopefully in the target range. As I said, we can even drop a little bit lower, but this again would be the most likely outcome. We would then turn around and move to new all-time highs. Yeah, but it can mean that we stick in here for a while, that we are in this target area for weeks, yeah, maybe even a couple of months. We'll need to see. As you probably know, a lot of altcoins have reached their target areas as well, and they've been in these target areas since end of January. So it could really be a long-winded end of the correction. We just need to know that this is absolutely a possible scenario. Okay, so that is my view here about Bitcoin. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. If you really like the content, then check out my channel membership, where you can get access to the Telegram live chat, the Discord server, and the weekly live stream. And also, I have started to publish my trading course on the website. You can sign up for that on the website. morecryptoonline.com is currently a pre-sale price. One chapter will be released per week, and there will be 15 chapters. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.